Model, 2020 Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 L3 long wheelbase, 2.2 BlueHDi H2 professional van 140 PS Euro 6 ULEZ compliant. TSOR repair. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 81,216. Engine, 2,179 cc/dw12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Worth spending the time to get this back to its former glory. Get in quick. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, cruise